What's up, gals and pals? It's your boy Vino, and welcome back to 60-Second Cocktails. Ladies and gentlemen, the other day I was on a live show that I do called Drinking Buddies with my buddies Rob at Rob's Home Bar and Dave from Booze on the Rocks. Now, our special guest that day was the home bartender Ann. Now, the home bartender Ann is a huge Tiki fanatic. So the theme for that show was Tiki cocktails. Now, if you guys have watched Vino for any length of time, you know I don't really do Tiki. Do I like Tiki? Absolutely, but it's not really my wheelhouse. So I was tasked with making 2 Tiki cocktails for the show, and I came across this one here that I absolutely was intrigued by, and it was called the Lost Lake. Now, I've seen it here and there, but I've never made it before. What really intrigued me about it was all of the different ingredients in it, a lot of spirits, and that always gets me excited. So I went ahead, I made it for the show, and I absolutely loved it. So I decided, you know what, I need to share it with you guys. You may have seen it on some other channels, but today you're gonna see it on Vino's channel, so make sure you stick around, because we are gonna boogie down. All right, so let's go ahead and check out what is in the sauce. The first thing you're gonna need is 2 ounces of your favorite Jamaican rum. Next, you're gonna do 3/4 ounce of lime juice. We're gonna follow that up with 3/4 ounce of passion fruit syrup. Now we're gonna bang out 1/2 ounce of pineapple juice. Next, we're gonna add 1/4 ounce of Maraschino Liqueur. And now let's add 1/4 ounce of Campari. Now we're gonna add some ice to our shaker. And we're gonna shake that for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now you're gonna get your glass out, which I had chilling like a villain. And I'm just gonna do a dirty dump into the glass. Now we're gonna fill the rest of the glass with some crushed ice. And then optionally, you could top it off with a couple dashes of Angostura bitters. Now for garnish, it really doesn't matter, but I'm gonna be using 2 pineapple fronds and a dehydrated pineapple slice. And there you have it, folks, our Lost Lake cocktail. All right, so let's go ahead and give this bad boy a sippy sip. Now, the last time I had this cocktail, I made it with Smith & Cross. Now, if you know anything about Smith & Cross, that is my absolute favorite rum. But you know, it's one of those Navy strength pot still rum, so it's really big and really bold, really funky. And so, you know, it really sticks out in the cocktail. And now the cocktail was still absolutely delicious, but I've often seen this cocktail made with Appleton. So I say, you know what, let me try this time with Appleton and see if I still love it the way I did before. All right, folks, let's give it a sippy sip. Oh yeah, still delicious, still really, really, really good. Obviously, the Appleton is going to add some big. The Smith & Cross is going to add some big funky flavors, but what this does, it actually helps to bring out more of the tropical notes. So I'm really getting the passion fruit, I'm really getting the pineapple juice, so it actually mellows the cocktail out a bit, makes it maybe a little more tropical, a little more refreshing, you know, more of a beachside cocktail. This is still really, really delicious. Oh yeah, oh yeah, that is still, you know, you're still getting that pungentness, you get some of the spice and the honey and the vanilla notes that you get from the Appleton. You're still picking that up in here. I mean, this is just a really good cocktail. You know, the Maraschino Liqueur adds a little bit of that nuttiness at the back end that you forget about. I forgot that was even in here for a second, but I'm picking it up. I'm like, where's that coming from? And that's what it is. And the Campari is definitely adding a little bit of bitterness, but it's not too pronounced, but it's there. Again, just a really good cocktail. You know, the Lost Lake is named after a bar in Chicago, and unfortunately the bar did shut down, but this is the legacy that left behind, and I think it's quite a hell of a legacy. Anyway, look, if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.